Running a professional business does not require an expensive booking system. Google Workspace already has everything you need to set up discovery calls, qualify leads, and show up like the CEO you are. I'm Shantae Jennings, and I help women-owned businesses save time and make more money using tools they already have. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set up your discovery calls using Google Calendar. Let's get into it. The first step is to create your booking engine. And what I mean by that is go to Google Calendar and create a booking page. That's where the link that we're going to create so that they can book time with you. Yes, if you didn't know, Google Calendar has an appointment scheduler. So that's what we're going to create now. Because this is a free account, you only get one. And because I've created one, I'm going to show you what this one looks like. I titled it, I'm going to open edit so you can see everything. Business strategy call, I'm calling it 15 minutes. You can set up your duration. Availability, it can be weekly, does not repeat, custom. I chose weekly and I chose one day of the week. It's got your time zone, it's got you a scheduling window. If you really need that, if you don't really care how far in advance they book calls, typically, I wouldn't want anybody booking anything for more than 2 months ahead. And typically 24 hours notice before a call. That can be important because once people book a call, you want to go and find out more about them. And that's where the next step is going to happen. We've just started this booking engine. This is going to be the way they find you. There's booking settings in your calendar. They're going to communicate with you. Here, you can create an automatic link that generates whenever the person books a call. And by setting this, you've got some options: phone call, Google Meet conferencing. Google Meet conferencing, a link will be generated right away. Now, if you're using some other tool, which I don't recommend, then you can click none to be specified later, but then there's a whole nother step you've got to go in and add the link. Why do that when we got Google Meet right here? Make a quick description. Now, here's where we're going to start to qualify the leads, because we don't want, tire kickers and I want to pick your brain. Of course, some of them are going to do that, but we want to know that they're actually coming there to get something done. So what are the top 3 questions you can ask them that will give you enough information to figure out whether or not you can help them or not? You want to put 3 questions minimal. Well, you can do 1 or 2, but I say 3 because you don't want to go, hog wild and do a lot of questions because you're making friction. You want them to quickly fill out this form, answer these questions, and book the call. If you've got more questions, you can do a separate form in Google Forms, and I'll show you in another video how to set that up. But right now, 3 questions, and then move on to confirmation and reminders. You get 1 reminder in your Google Workspace. We've set up the booking engine. We've set up the way to qualify the leads. And that's pretty much it. Now, before I show you what the finished booking page looks like, I want to pause here. If you've been following along and you're thinking this feels like a lot to set up on your own, that's why I'm here. I set up this for women-owned businesses all the time so they can skip the learning curve and go straight to booking calls. The link to work with me directly is in the description below. It ends up looking like this. It's complete. You take your link and then you distribute it wherever you need it to be. This link can go to your landing pages, your website, your email signature, or even when people DM you and want to know how they can learn more about whatever it is you do. You can stick that link right in there. You just set up a complete discovery call system without paying for a single extra tool. That is what it looks like to stop playing small with what you already have. If you're ready to keep building a professional operation using Google Workspace, subscribe so you never miss the tutorials. And watch this next video where I show you how to set up a full client intake process using your Google Forms.